Alright, what up, y'all? So, still messing around with this laser cutter, trying out some different stuff, trying to make sure I know what I'm doing. Right now, I got these regular Impala logos getting cut out. I made so where's my mouse? All right, there we go. So, this one right here, I made this last week or the week before, something like that. Made a key ring out of it. So, I put a picture of that up, but then I'm cutting these out. There's some more test pieces to try to make a keychain out of these. One of these I actually keep and use for my car. And I don't know, I'd probably throw the other one on eBay or something. But yeah, all the designs are actually made in Inkscape. Real easy to use, free to get. So you know, if you want to make some stuff, Inkscape is what you use, or what I use. Takes a little bit to get used to it, figure out how it actually works, but just watch a bunch of YouTube tutorials. But once I got all of that together, I put it in Lightburn, which is what my laser cutter uses. Which this is a Sculpfun S9. There we go. So Sculpfun. That's the laser I got. Yeah. So saying it's gonna take roughly 10 minutes. This is to cut out. I'm only cutting 2 right now, so this is just to outline these 2. I got 1/8 inch acrylic in here right now. It is set on, let's see. So this is the speed I'm using to cut it. 500 millimeters per minute, I believe that's what that is. 100% power. 9 passes, so it's gonna cut it 9 different times to cut it all the way through. This is what I used for the engraving part, which is 6,000 on the speed, 100% power, and I went over it twice. So that's how I ended up engraving that one. I won't say this is the exact way you should do it, because I'm sure it's probably a different way or a better way, but this is what I didn't use so far that's worked. But yeah, this is what I'm working on. Alright, so these are actually the first couple test pieces I made about a week or 2 ago. So this is the one that's engraved, and then used the cutout to cut the rest of it. So this is black acrylic with so the gray part is the part that was actually engraved. This was the original idea with everything cut through, so you can see straight through. I was gonna do this for like a keychain, but with it being like this, the acrylic is so thin that you know, it just felt like it would be kind of flimsy. So you see I can kind of bend that a little bit. And I didn't want to make it into a keychain like this with it being flimsy and it actually end up, you know, breaking or whatever, doing whatever you end up doing with the keys. So that's why I switched to this solid style. So way stronger, way more durable. And the brown is just the paper that comes on the plexi, on the acrylic. So that peels off, it's gloss black on the other side. Same with all of this. This is just the protective cover on it. So once it's done cutting, I peel the brown off and it'll be all black, gloss black with the dark part that you see. That's the actual color. That's what the brown burned off. So yeah. That's what I'm working on. Still playing around. If you got an idea or you want to see me make something on this, or you want to watch like a full video, like start to finish as far as designing it and cutting it, let me know. I might do something like that. It's cold and rainy, so not a whole lot of actual car stuff going on right now for me. But yeah, if you want to see something like that in the meantime, let me know, and I'll set something up, try to design something to whatever y'all can come up with. So that's it for me, and I will catch y'all later. Also, if you get one of these, do it outside, do it with a window open, do it with something, because all of this burning and melting acrylic smells terrible. So do it somewhere where you can get some fresh air. But yeah, that's it, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.